It's truly a soulful instrument. It's played both inhaling and exhaling. I play purely by ear. My eyes are closed. I refer to it as playing from my toes. If you're doing it right, you're playing with your whole body. It hits all the notes, hits all the chords. Well, these guys that are working so hard and serving our country, you really can't do enough for them. Because until you've been in their shoes, you really have no idea their sacrifices. And anything that I can do that will honor them in a sincere and a passionate fashion is my gift. That's where I'm at. I hope they enjoy it. It's truly from the heart, and I thank you all.